In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Airtable dashboards, Team Access 2026. Open your browser and head to airtable.com. This works best on a modern browser. And if you're doing this for the first time on a new device, be ready to approve any security prompts. Sign into your Airtable account using your usual method. You can use email and password or a single sign-on option if your company has one. Once you're in, you'll land on the Airtable home dashboard. Here, you'll see your recent bases and workspaces. Think of a base as the database where your tables and data live. Find the base that contains the dashboard you want to share, or open a recent one. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new base, but keep in mind you'll need an interface inside that base before you can share a dashboard experience. Open the base and at the top of the screen you'll see the main navigation. Click Interfaces. Interfaces are the curated dashboards and pages you build on top of your base. They're perfect for giving teammates or stakeholders a focused view with charts, lists, and filters without exposing the entire backend. Locate the specific interface you want to share and open it. If you have multiple pages, pick the one that matters for your audience. Before sharing, make sure the interface is published. Drafts can't be shared. Look for the publish control near the top right. If you make changes later, you'll need to publish again so everyone sees the latest version. Now click Share Interface in the top right corner. This opens the sharing panel with all your options. Copy link gives you a direct URL to the interface. Depending on your workspace settings, you can use this for quick access, but remember that link access still respects the permissions you set. Invite collaborators lets you add teammates who need deeper access. Assign roles such as editor, commenter, or viewer based on what they need to do. Keep in mind that collaborators often use paid seats and can access the underlying base depending on your settings. Invite guests is ideal when you want people to use the interface without full base access. Guests typically see only the interface and whatever data the interface exposes, which is great for limiting risk. Share to Web creates a public read-only version. Use this only for non-sensitive data and consider disabling it when you no longer need it. You can also review the list of people who currently have access and adjust or remove them. Before you finish, test the link in a private window to confirm the right permissions and views are applied. That's it. You've shared your Airtable interface safely and clearly so your team can get the insights they need.